Alright, welcome back on my Legendary Traders Entrepreneurs. My name is G. You guys are new to this channel. My journey in this channel is to show you guys $0 in profit all the way to $100,000 in profit. I'll be documenting the whole journey and also putting in MYFXBOOK link below to show you guys the verified trades that I'm taking. And also showing you guys my losses, my wins, and if I build my accounts, what is my next step, and my deposits and everything, okay? So I just want to be completely transparent with you guys with my account, showing you guys a journey from 0 to 100K, seeing how long it takes, just showing you guys for inspiration and motivation and trying to make this into my lifestyle of trading, okay? So today's video, I want to show you guys and explain to you guys why it is best to start with a $100 account before even depositing anything more than that, okay? So let's go straight to the slide and show you guys the steps. So it's really just 3 simple steps that I did myself before I ever deposited any more money than I can afford, okay? So first, with any strategy, you want to at least be able to double a $100 demo account, okay? It's not fun, it's tedious, but you know what is the point of depositing $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 when you can't even double a $100 account on demo, okay? There's no point of losing any money and practicing, okay? You don't want to just go into the big leagues without being able to double a $100 account. And then the next step, after you're able to double a $100 account with whatever strategy you're doing, at least I recommend you guys to at least, if I can go back, I recommend at least to do 100 trades with your strategy and make sure that you're still in the positive, because even if you win 1, 2, 3 trades, it doesn't mean that your strategy is profitable. So even right now, even though I'm $1,400 in profit, it doesn't mean that long term it'll be in profit, okay? As of right now, I'm probably about 200 to 300 trades into my strategy. I'm still in profit. So I think when I'm able to reach 1,000 trades, I'll be able to say if it's a profitable strategy or not. But anyways, after your $100 demo, you should go to $100 real, double that. And then step 3, this varies for every person differently. The reason being is because you want to trade with an amount that you're not emotional about, okay? You should not trade so you can be able to pay off next month's car bill, next month's rent. You want to trade with an amount that if you lose, it does not affect your life at all, okay? So for me right now, with my account, I deposited $12,600. You don't need to deposit that much. But the reason being that I did was because I was able to test out my strategy with 150 trades. If you guys haven't seen that video, I show you guys that my $12,600 deposit and why I deposited that. So go check out that video. But step 3, deposit amount that if you lose, you won't be devastated or anything. You don't want to exit a trade because you're up $100. You want to exit a trade because of your rules. You want to exit that trade because it broke your rules, not because, I'm losing $2,000, I got to exit. All right, you guys see my account, my GBP NZD the other day was negative $2,000, but I didn't let the emotions get to me. I exited that trade, or I planned to exit that trade when it broke my rules, and it did not break my rules. It came back and it hit my take profit, okay? So you should not exit a trade because you're up a certain amount. You should not exit a trade because you're down a certain amount. The only reason you should exit or enter a trade is because if it breaks your rules, or if you're in profit to exit, it also breaks your rules that, okay, it cannot go up anymore or it cannot go down anymore, okay? On the bottom, you can hide your MT4 where it doesn't show you the dollar amount, and that helps you control your emotions as well, so that you won't be exiting because you're up a certain amount or down a certain amount, okay? So like I said, step 1, double a demo. Step 2, double a real. Step 3, enter amount that does not emotionally affect you mentally and doesn't affect your lifestyle, okay? So if that number is 1,000 for you, 2,000, 3,000, whatever your amount, make sure if you lost it tomorrow, it does not affect your life, okay? Because if it does, and it's when you're in that trade, you're going to be very emotional about it, and you're going to be checking your phone constantly, and I've done that before, so I don't recommend it for you guys. Those are my 3 steps that I did myself personally. And if you guys are new to this channel, like I said, I want to help you guys, just inspire you guys and show you guys my journey from $0 in profit to hopefully 100K in profit by the end of this year. But I'll be showing you guys the ups and downs, so remember to hit that subscribe, like, and comment down below if you guys have any questions.